we going to talk about today? Louis Vuitton, the Easy Pouch on a Strap. And I have been wanting this bag for a while. So we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it, what I pack in it, the dimensions of it, everything. And I'm going to tell you the story of how I ended up getting this bag. Well, hello, friends. If this is the first time you're seeing me on your channel, my name is Caroline and welcome to the Mom's Guide to Glam. This is just a channel where I want all moms to feel welcome and comfortable, and being a mom myself, some things that I've done to make myself feel good and to kind of gain that confidence back after having a baby. But today we're going to talk about something a little different, and I'm really excited about this. I normally don't talk about this quite often, but one thing that I love is designer bags. And if you go look on my channel, I have some designer bag unboxings, like all that good stuff. And one designer bag that I have not seen a ton of videos about that I wanted. And by the way, like when I look at a bag and I look at buying it, I always do research. I always go on YouTube. I look at videos. I look at unboxing videos. I get so worked up and excited. So today I thought we'd do a little bit of it's not going to be an unboxing. I am going to take it out of the box because I store it in there, but it's going to be more of why I love it, what fits in the bag, and, like talking about the bag itself, right? So I actually filming this in a little bit of a different place than I normally do. I decided I wanted to be more laid back and comfortable and just kind of be in my bathroom chilling out and relaxing. So today let's talk about the Easy Pouch on a Strap by Louis Vuitton. And this is the bag that I've been wanting. I try when I buy designer bags to do a lot of research and buy bags that I know are different than the other bags I have. To me, I'm like, why would I want to buy a bag that's similar to another bag? That just doesn't make sense. It seems like kind of wasteful to me. So I always try to buy bags that are unique, different, and bags that I need a use for, right? Like I'm going to be using this bag. So let me take you on a journey about this bag. So I basically knew that I wanted another bag, but I wanted a bag that was a tiny bag. I have bigger Louis Vuitton bags that I love and I store and I kind of use as diaper bags and whatever it may be, but I wanted a bag that I could just use just for me, and it would fit like the bare essentials, and I could go run errands and like no big deal, right? Like I could take it with me. So I saw this on the Louis Vuitton site and I said, ooh, immediately, like I love this bag. I want it. So I called Louis Vuitton and Louis Vuitton was like, well, basically we have this bag, but it's not going to be able to get to you in a few weeks. So I knew I was actually going on a trip to New York City, and I said, you know what? Why don't I just go to one of the stores, the Louis Vuitton stores in New York, and I'll pick it up there. And so sure enough, they had it at the Soho store. So I went into the Soho store and I ended up purchasing this bag, and it was perfect for my entire trip I did to New York City. I was there for a work trip, and it fit everything I needed to go. I could hide it under my arm really easy. I could fit it again underneath a jacket, whatever it may be. But let's talk about this. So here we go. There she is in all her glory, the beautiful Easy Pouch on a Strap. And I have not seen a ton of people talk about this bag. This bag was I saw it, and again, I was like, that is a beautiful, beautiful bag. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in turtle dove, it comes in black, and it comes in cream. And as you can see, it's in that beautiful leather, right? Which is so beautiful. I have this particular leather in my book bag, the Monsterie book bag, and it is incredible. It just is durable. It holds up well. I have never had a cream bag before. I was a little nervous about the cream because the color transfer on cream and turtle dove is terrible. But I knew with a bag like this that's tinier, I could control it a little easier. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go for it. I don't have any cream bags. I wanted something a little different. I don't want to get black again. And this was such a beautiful look and a beautiful color to it that I had to get it. And sure enough, it does have a little bit of color transfer. So I have had this bag since May. I'm filming this video now in December. I've had this bag for quite a bit now. And there has been a little bit of color transfer. There's a couple of little dots right here. You can see that. Again, a couple of just kind of wears and tears on the bag. That's just a little bit, from rubbing and transferring, but nothing terrible. I make sure not to wear this with any dark denim or any kind of really intense colors that I know might transfer onto this. And I have been wearing it not only in the summer, but also winter as well, because it's that beautiful cream, which kind of translates into like this winter creamy shade, and it looks beautiful. But let's talk about this bag. I'm going to tell you right now, I've got my phone right here, so I'm going to tell you dimensions on the bag so you guys know, because it is a tiny bag. This is not a bag that you're going to fit all of your items in. This is the bag that you're going to fit just the bare minimum, okay? So let's talk about the product details. It is in the emprunte leather, which is what I love, cowhide leather. It does have gold color hardware, which we're going to get into that, the D-ring. The strap drop is 11 inches. We'll get into that in a second as well. And the strap drop max is 19.7 inches. We'll talk about that. Does have a chain, but the bag itself is 7.5 in length. It's 4.5 in height. And then in the width of the bag, you're talking 1.2 inches. So again, we're talking a very, very, very tiny bag. This is the bag that you're going to pack just the bare essentials into this, okay? So why did I love this? Why did I want it? Well, again, I wanted to pack just, the few that I had. So let's talk about details of the bag. You have gold hardware on here. As you can see, the zipper, everything. You've got the beautiful tag. That tag actually says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it's kind of a flap tag right there. You do have a little, kind of like a little tassel on to the zipper, so it's easy to, again, zip up and down. And then on the inside is the beautiful like beigey cream color that's striped. You actually get multiple straps with this bag, which I love that, okay? So first strap that you're gonna get, that you're gonna wear pretty much all the time, is the long strap. And that is going to be in the cream as well with the beautiful gold hardware. This is really neat because this bag can be worn multiple ways. So you can actually, and that's why I love this. This is why I wanted this bag. And I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, but the strap can actually be worn as a longer strap, which means that you can wear it crossbody, okay? So when you wear this, you can wear it crossbody right on your hip. But you can actually take these two right here and move them. So we're going to move them all the way down to the two buckles that are right here. And when we move them all the way down and click them and click this again, the strap drop isn't a lot. So this is your shoulder bag right here. So that's why I love it, because it can be worn crossbody and it can be a shoulder bag. But I have another fun thing that you can do with this bag. This bag also comes with a gold chain. Now, this gold chain is meant to be worn on the bag. So the reason you have the D-ring right there is because you can actually attach this little gold chain to one of the hooks at the end and the little D-ring right there. So let me show you. Okay. And it's just like this cute, right? It's like this cute little accessory on the bag, like a cute little chain. But that chain can double as a shoulder strap. So it can be worn with the white shoulder strap or the gold. So if you're looking to dress it up and wear it to like an event, or wear it, out for a girls' night out or a date night or whatever, you can actually use the gold strap instead of the cream colored strap. How cool is that? Or you can double them together and wear it all together. I just thought this was such a unique, really versatile bag. That's why I loved it, because you could wear it multiple ways. I love the fact that it came with the longer strap, the cream colored strap, so I could wear it crossbody and shoulder, and then I could wear this as a decorative piece or as a shoulder strap. Now, I will admit, the most ways I've worn this bag is crossbody. So I have really actually taken that gold out, and I keep that in the little dust bag right here in the box, and I just wear this strap because I can adjust it on a whim, right? Like if I'm wanting to wear it crossbody, great, easy to do. If I want to wear it as a shoulder bag, so easy to do. I can just do it with this one strap. So typically I actually just bring this with me. I have taken this bag again on an airplane. I've worn it on vacation. I've worn it multiple different ways. It has been such a great bag. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is I want to talk about how I pack this bag, because we all know this bag is so tiny. It doesn't fit a ton. So let me show you what I put in here. I really just put the essentials in here. So I pack my cell phone. My cell phone is the large iPhone, the iPhone Max. It's like the 13 Pro Max. So you still have a little bit of room in there, right? So then I will pack a little hand sanitizer. I will pack my little key clay. This is my favorite, one of my favorite Louis Vuitton pieces. I've had this since, how long have I had this? Oh my gosh, I've been collecting Louis Vuitton pieces for about 12 years now, which is so crazy to say. So I've had this little piece. This is my second Louis Vuitton piece I ever got. So I've had this for about 11 years, which is quite incredible. So I will stick this in there. So that is already jam-packed. This is the room that I have. And then I will stick one of my favorite lip products. This is the e.l.f. lip oil, the glow oil. This is my favorite lip that I have. I love it. It hydrates. It's beautiful. But I'll stick that in the little corner right there. And then I zip this guy up and we are ready to rock and roll. And as you can see, it gets a little chunky when you put a lot in there. And this flap sometimes will flap up, but I don't mind that, okay? I wanna be able to go and I want all my accessories in one place. Again, this is not a big bag. This is not the bag that we're taking, and packing all of our stuff with. This is the bag that we're like, okay, we're packing the essentials and we're going, which again, I prefer when I go on a work trip. If I'm going on a date night, whatever it may be, I prefer to just pack the essentials and go. Even sometimes, with being like a mom, packing things for my little one, I'll pack the essentials in my little bag and then I'll take like a book bag or something and go. But I have absolutely loved this bag. Again, I have not seen too many people talking about it. This is, again, that beautiful Louis Vuitton Easy Pouch on a strap. I haven't seen too many people talk about this. I have been wanting to talk about this forever. I love it. Again, I've had it since May. I highly recommend. It comes in, again, turtle dove, black, and cream. And it is such a beautiful bag. So if you have any questions about the bag, drop them down below. I can do an updated video as well. And go follow me and subscribe if you don't already. I would love to have you as a part of this channel. Again, I'm trying to release videos quite often about all kinds of stuff. So go ahead, follow. Thank you guys for tuning in and joining. Any questions, link down below and I will comment back. Thanks guys, have a great day.